Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.
So Nicki Minaj has released a sex tape. What? It's not a sex tape? Nicki Minaj has released the visuals for her song Anaconda. And Lord have mercy! Can I just say that that woman knows the power of a woman's ass? A woman's buttocks is the kryptonite to all men, especially one that is as fat as Nicki Minaj's. And Nicki knows this, and she is using it. The video is definitely a thirst trap, and we men bees in that trap. We bees in that trap? It was a trap that I was happy that I walked into. Let's talk about this video for a second. The video has a lot of assness. There's an ass on screen every 0.01 millisecond. There was more ass shaking, popping, twerking, jiggling, dropping, and a twerk contest in a strip club. I was watching that video like, please Nicki, drop that cunt. Throw that ass in a circle, in a square, in a pentagon, in a hexagon, dash that body the elbow. The video has more ass than the ass song that she did with Big Sean. If this was back in high school, this video would be top class masturbation material. I would be missing from school for days. Has anybody seen Kevin? Must have caught the flu or something. Meanwhile, I would be at home. I hear this Anaconda video is working miracles, curing erectile dysfunction by the thousands. On a big man level, this is the type of video will make you wonder, who a fuck Nicki? This is the type of video where you have men wishing that just for 30 seconds, they could be Nicki Minaj's talent. Now we all know Nicki Minaj's ass was big, we all know that. But we've never really seen it from different angles. And in this Anaconda video, the director made sure that we saw Nicki Minaj's ass from all angles. Every possible camera shot of Nicki Minaj's ass was in that video. You get an above shot, a below shot, a side shot, a back shot. Oh God, I would have given one of that. I am not one for maths, but Nicki Minaj's ass in this video had me calculating the circumference, the diameter, the velocity at which it was shaking, and the recoil action and time. Real or fake, Nicki got kicks. Y'all have curves like a Jamaican country road. And you stalkers are out here stalking Sandra Bullock. You need to get on a stalking priorities tree. You can't see Nicki Minaj with a body like that and you stalk Sandra Bullock. Let's start, Nicki! Honestly, if I never had better things to do with my time, Nicki, I would be stalking that ass. Literally. Now let's talk about the song. Alright, this is a very serious question. I'm gonna like an answer. To the 1% of people that managed to not be asthmatized, I heard that there was a song playing while the video was going on. What is this song about? I have watched the video about 500 to 1,000 times, but hey, who the fuck is counting, right? And I have not listened to or heard the so-called song that was supposed to be played. In other words, the song wasn't shit. This is getting too crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. I'm gonna go watch that video one more time. Now my mother good crack real